Hi there, I'm Rafael John Nangalo P. Ramirez, and today we'll be talking about a topic that affects all of us, whether we're studying, working, or even relaxing, and that's ergonomics. Have you ever felt neck pain after hours of using your phone? Or wrist pain after typing too long? That's where ergonomics comes in. In this video, I'll show you practical ways to work smarter and safer and more comfortably.
Repeated hand and wrist motions can lead to strain or carpal tunnel syndrome. To avoid this, use ergonomic knife with cautions. Handles and encourage short breaks to stretch hands and wrists. Let's start with the chair, the foundation of your setup. The goal is to keep your spine in a natural S-curve with full back support. Sit back. Your feet should be flat on the floor, knees bent at 90 degree. Adjust the seat height and depth so there's a 2 to 3 finger gap between the seat edge and the back of your knees. Don't sit on the edge, use the backrest. Your desk height should allow your arms to bend at about 90 degree, wrists straight and elbows relaxed. No matter how perfect your setup is, moving is essential. Stand up every 30 to 60 minutes, stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, walk. You're not statue, your body needs to move. Many jobs, lifting is unavoidable, but improper lifting can lead to serious injuries. Avoid bending from the waist or hunching your back. This puts pressure on your spine. Instead, squat down. Keep your back straight and use your legs to lift. Hold the object close to your body. Overhead reaching might look simple, but doing it too often or with heavy loads can seriously strain your shoulders and upper back. When we reach above shoulder level, especially repeatedly, our muscles work harder than they should, and that leads to fatigue or worse long-term injuries. To prevent this bringing the work to you, use a step stool or move frequently used items to shelves between your waist and chest.
Remember, ergonomic isn't extra, it's essentials. Design your workspace to fit you, not the other way around. Take care of your body and it will take care of you.